Hey guys, this is Rawl from Rawl of the Dead Photography, and today I'm doing a special tutorial just for you guys watching this right now. I have with me my friend Jen, and she's modeling with me today with this amazing outfit. I'll put all of Jen's info below, so make sure to follow her and make sure you follow me at Rawl of the Dead Photography. And I also want to thank Jackie from the Witch's Brew for having me for her event. Today I'm going to be using my Sony a7 II and the 55mm lens as well as a 28mm. So I'm going to switch it off to see what works. So enjoy it, guys. I'll see you guys later. If you want to do that, just go a little further back. You want to get the full outfit or no? Not right now? Okay. Yeah, let's just do, well, I might switch the lens then. That looks really, I like that. What do you want to do right now? Like just the outfit? We'll just do this outfit then, yeah. No, I mean like, you said you wanted, yeah, because I was going to do full body right now. No? Okay. So I guess I'll get closer. You can go a little further back. Yeah, right there. You know what? Let me switch this lens then. Because this lens, whoops, this lens is more like for full body. So let me switch it out. So right now we're just shooting out of my 55mm lens, and I have the beauty dish up here. I have a side light just to kind of give her a little bit of a edge light right here. And then I have this last light just to light this kind of book cover. And then I put this, I don't know if it's gonna make a difference, but I'm putting this as just a fill light for her side right here. So I'm gonna try a few shots real quick. And have you stand a little bit more. Let me see. Yeah, just come up about right here. Yeah. Let's try that. Okay, let's see it. That looks great. Let me see if there's that eye right there. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, so I just want to explain the 3-light setup that I did. The beauty dish, I tested out first and made sure the model was lit correctly, and I did have it a little bit up high just so it can just feather the light down from the bottom of that beauty dish. And I believe I had that one at about a 1/8 power. And then the strip light on Jen's right side, I played with that one around a lot. I ended up actually taking out the grid later on, and that's just to give her separation on her right side. And then the light that I had against the bookshelf, I just wanted to make sure that was separated. So I made sure I put the light up high, had a 40-degree grid on it, and just to give it a nice graze in the background. And then I ended up adding a V-flat, just to give a little bit more bounce light on her left side. I played around with this lighting scenario throughout the day, just to see what worked. And I set my ambient exposure so that no ambient light was coming in to my frame. That way I can control all the lighting just with the 3 lights I had. Okay, right there, good right there. Ready, 1, 2, 3. I love that. I'm gonna put this light up just a little bit more. Huh? I like it. I like the crow. Don't ditch the crow. All right, let's do a couple more. Just put it closer to you a little bit. There you go. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Let me see. Yeah, I like that. I'm just gonna be mindful that this light though is gonna hit you. So let me just move it out a little bit more. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna switch this out right here. So we can we're getting waist up, so is that all right? That's okay, all right. And move this up a little bit like that. All right, let's start shot. Let me see. I like that we're getting some of this light in there. Go ahead and look at the camera real quick. Right there. Okay, perfect. All right, let's try a shot. Ready, 1, 2, 3. That looks awesome. I like that. Yeah, that looks good. See it? Okay. Cool, perfect. Let me go up just a little bit more. Looks good. Go ahead and do one looking over here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna switch off to this 28mm lens, and we're gonna do a full body. So far the lighting is looking really good. I'm liking it. So I'm gonna switch over to a wider lens and we'll see how this looks. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get a little closer on this one. Yeah, way closer. Be right here. So we might move back a little bit even. Oh, it is? That's your book? All right. And do you want to? I'm going to go down a little bit more. So let's see. Huh? All right. Okay, you can go a little further back. I'll have to move this. And then I'm gonna move this. Let's see. Let's see where the light's at. Stay right there where you're at, right there. All right, let's see what it looks like. Here, let me take it off this thing real quick. Let's see what that looks like. All right, try a few shots here. Ready? Hold on a second. Try it again. I don't think that light went on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. That's good. I like that. Whoops, sorry.
Yeah, that looks good. Try a few more. Hold on a second. Ready? Go 1, 2, 3. Let me see. That looks awesome. I like that. As long as you're staying in front of the light, you're good. Yeah. It's black? What do you mean? Same thing's loose. No, that's why we have this separation light. But I might boost it up a little bit more. This thing felt loose to me. Yeah, let me turn that up a little bit more. But that's light. Yeah. Actually, what I might do is I'll take this thing off. That might help it. It's pretty thin already. Let's try a test shot here. I'm gonna lower it a little bit. Let's see what that looks like. Oops, I gotta turn it on real quick. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. That looks a lot better. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, see? This has a little bit more separation. Let's try a few more shots. Let's see where you're at. If you can move over just a little bit right there. Yeah, perfect. Right there. Awesome. She's on her toes, like. I can't. Let me try it. I can't even do it. Ah. How? Really? Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow, that's crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Whoops. Perfect. That was good. Just set it up here. Let's go a little bit closer. These are going to be more portrait style. All right, so yeah, I like that. Let's try that. 1, 2, whoops. 1, 2, 3. I like it. These are so good. Let me move this light a little bit more. All right, let's see. I want to get that light in there for sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3. A little bit closer. It should be right here. I want you to be able to see it. Let me turn it up a little bit more. So it's light C right there. That looks good. I love it. Perfect. I like that. I'm gonna switch this off real quick. I like that what you're doing right now. Let's do a few more like that. All right, let's try that again. Let's try that again one more time. One more, 1, 2. Okay, cool. I think we got some good shots. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.